I think it's ready. It's my pogo and my fry with sauce. Popcorn. Slush. Quit fighting, you guys. Now. Pepper. Cheetah. Don't fight. There's Pepper and there's Cheetah. Sometimes they fight. Now. I have to pull them apart because he gets too rough with her. She's a girl, Cheetah. And that's Pepper. He's a male. But Pepper's older and he's bigger. I got these sunflower seeds earlier. They're called sunflower sunspot. And I have some sunflower seeds left over from last year. The giant sunflower seeds. I just have to look for them. But these are the ones I bought. And this is an angle grinder we got for the patio door renovation.